SEPN stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Septerina, whatever the pronunciation is there. Yeah, we don't have that much data, so I guess I'll work with something that it's on our hands. First trading day, right? So all I'm sticking to, by the way, is a strategy that has previously given me thousands of predictions, and I've documented everything. I've definitely done it before. But from what I'm looking at, this market looks pretty bearish. Next stock props is going to be the lowest 295. I'm not going to sit here and just trying to guess, right? I mean, trading, it's all that, it's all guessing, but there's no trades going to be taken, right? It's just my bias only, because one, there's no enough candles to appear, and two, right, it's new. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's a free course. But with Septerina, I guess that's how it's gonna be until we have more candles.